everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome to day 12 of the opening of Advent calendars on my channel. We have the Homeworx, Slatkin & Company, Winter Wonderland Advent Calendar, 12 Days of Scents. We're on the last one because there's only 12 and today is day 12. Then we have the Diamond Press Advent Calendar. And then we have the Crystal Arts Advent Calendar that we've been opening, making these beautiful, shiny, sparkly ornaments that are magnetic and really fun little projects. We're going to do the candle first, kind of set a little mood. And today's candle is called Silent Night. So we'll just take that out and have a little whiff of Silent Night. Smells so good. Silent Night is frosted winter air, fresh eucalyptus, dark pine forest, smoked maple woods. I do smell kind of a smoky. It really does smell fresh, okay? But like pine, but not pine. Oh, that smells really, really good. So let's light our candle. All right. This is just a little jar. I decided to put a striker sticker on the bottom so I could have a pretty thing to light my matches with. And this is a really smelling good candle. A smelly good candle. All right, for day 12, that's our last one. Kind of sad. Last year I bought 2 of them. They were different themes. This year I didn't. So we just end it with that one. All right. So we're on day 12. Day 12. 12 is over here. Look at that right there. So let's see what's behind day 12. We've had some really good stuff in this calendar, Advent calendar, albeit difficult to open at times, some of these little cardboard thingies. Let's see what's in here. Feels like a marker, maybe. Another shimmery. Ooh, it is. The other one we got was red, and this one is green. Of course, we have to prime it up and try it out. There we go. That's not bad. And the green is really pretty. And we're going to open the Crystal Arts calendar. This one is for day 12 as well, right here. And this one is your little diamond painting little type kits. And it's more of a... It's not diamond painting brand, it's Crystal Arts. So let's see what colors we've got. Ooh, purple and silver. I think my friend didn't say purple, but I think she said blue. She's trying to guess the color every time. So to apply the little gems or crystals, there's glue on the ornament, and it's covered with this little cover sheet here. And if you haven't done this before, it's pretty simple. It's a nice thing to do when you're watching TV, or maybe you just need to relax. You have a little pen. You get some of this wax in that little spot, that's little opening right here. And then you have a little tray, and you just put your beads on by number. So this is 1s, 2s, and 3s. And so we're just going to open the 1s. And I'll put a few down. There's a lot of 1s, it looks like. So it's kind of a gray, silvery color. Not really a crystal. And then you take this cover sheet off. Now you can apply the cover sheet back on if you don't have time to finish when you start a project. Now these are smaller projects, so you can kind of get done in a few minutes. Doesn't take too long. But you just apply your gems or crystals on there like that. And you just follow all the numbers, and that's really all there is to it. And these are magnetic, so they will stick on that little Christmas tree easily, or magnetically stick. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put all these gems on here and show you how it turns out. Okay, I have finished the 1s, and the 2s are a more purple. So I've put them in my little tray here, and I'm just going to start putting the 2s on, and then we'll move to the 3s. And there you go. How pretty is that? That's really pretty. So we're just going to add it to the tree. I'll just put it right there. And how pretty. Our tree is so sparkly. I love it. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed it today. Tomorrow we'll open day 13.